Did you know that Descartes is often called the father of modern philosophy? His famous statement, "I think, therefore I am," laid the groundwork for much of Western thought. Descartes' philosophy isn't just old-school thinking. It holds the key to understanding how we perceive reality today. René Descartes is a pivotal figure in philosophy, and his famous statement, "I think, therefore I am," has become a cornerstone of Western thought. But what's the big idea behind this phrase, and how did it revolutionize the way we think about knowledge? The pursuit of knowledge has always been plagued by uncertainty. How can we be sure that what we know is true? Can we trust our senses to give us an accurate picture of the world? These are questions that have haunted philosophers for centuries, and Descartes was no exception. He was deeply troubled by the skepticism of his time, and he set out to find a way to establish a foundation for knowledge that was beyond doubt. In his quest for certainty, Descartes realized that he had to start from scratch. He couldn't simply accept what he had been taught or what his senses told him. He had to question everything, including his own existence. This was a radical idea, as it implied that he might not even be able to trust his own thoughts. As Descartes delved deeper into his inquiry, he began to wonder if he was dreaming. Was everything he experienced just a product of his imagination? Was he simply a brain in a vat, being manipulated by some external force? These were questions that had never been asked before, and they led Descartes to a profound realization. One thing that Descartes was certain of was that he was thinking. He couldn't doubt the fact that he was having thoughts, even if those thoughts were false. This was the birth of his famous cogito argument, "I think, therefore I am." In this moment, Descartes had established a foundation for knowledge that was beyond doubt. He had found something that he could be certain of, and it was this certainty that would become the cornerstone of his philosophy. Descartes' method of doubt was revolutionary because it allowed him to strip away all the uncertainty and skepticism that had plagued philosophers for centuries. By doubting everything, he was able to find a point of certainty that he could build upon. And what he built upon it was a philosophical system that would change the course of Western thought. The significance of the cogito cannot be overstated. It was a breakthrough in philosophy that had far-reaching implications. For the first time, Descartes had established a foundation for knowledge that was based on reason and individual experience. This was a radical departure from the traditional authority-based approach to knowledge, and it paved the way for modern thought. Descartes' ideas have had a profound impact on modern philosophy, and they continue to influence the way we think about knowledge and reality today. His emphasis on individual experience and reason has led to a renewed focus on scientific inquiry and critical thinking. The cogito has also had a significant impact on our understanding of the self. By establishing the existence of the self as a thinking being, Descartes laid the groundwork for modern conceptions of identity and consciousness, and his emphasis on the importance of individual experience has led to a greater recognition of the role of the individual in shaping our understanding of the world. In conclusion, Descartes' philosophy offers us a unique perspective on the nature of knowledge and reality. By challenging us to rethink our understanding of knowledge, he invites us to question everything and to seek out certainty in a world of uncertainty. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear from you. How do Descartes' ideas resonate with your own beliefs about knowledge and reality? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other philosophy videos for more insights into the world of ideas.